it's so important to stop and take some time for yourself. And we're going to take a few moments to do that today. You'll start off in a comfortable seated position and you'll close the eyes down, feeling your seat heavy. Settling into how you're feeling right now in this moment. And we'll take some releasing breaths here. We'll start by taking a deep inhale through the nose and exhaling it out through the mouth. 2 more times like this, taking a deep inhale through the nose, exhaling it out through the mouth. Last round with your breath. Softening through the muscles of the face. From here, we'll reach the hands up overhead toward the sky or the ceiling, and then we'll gather the hands together in front of the heart center. Linking up with the breath, inhale, reaching up out of your waist, hands up. Exhale, gathering your hands together in front of your heart center. 1 more time with your breath, inhaling to reach up, exhaling to bring the hands down in front of your heart center. From here, we'll bring the hands to the knees, and on an inhale, roll the shoulders up towards your ears. Exhale, soften them down by your sides. 2 more rounds, inhaling, rolling the shoulders up. Exhaling, softening them down. Last round. Good. From here, on an inhale, we'll turn the gaze towards the right. Look down, maybe getting some stretch in the neck. Inhale, come through center. Exhale, take it over to the left. Inhale up through center. Exhale, take it up as far back as feels right for your neck. Inhale to come back through center. Exhale, shift your gaze downward, stretching along the back of the body. Inhale, come back to center, back to neutral. And we'll take a twist, inhaling, reaching the hands up out of the waist. Exhaling to take the left hand to the right knee and the right hand behind you. Inhale to grow tall and find length. Exhale to soften through the shoulders and draw your navel in. Releasing the spine here. Inhaling to come back through center. Exhaling to take it over to the other side. Dropping the shoulders down away from the ears, maybe separating the back teeth and wiggling the jaw. Breathing here. On an inhale, we'll reach the hands back up through center. Exhale, take your hands off to the sides. Inhale, reach your left hand up toward the sky or the ceiling and start to lean over towards the right. Inhale, come back through center, bring that left hand down. Inhale, reach that right hand up. Exhaling to lean over to the other side. Come back to center when you're done. And then you can choose to stay in a seated position, or you can choose to come to lay down on your back. I'm going to come down on my back, and you can take the legs out long if that feels right for you, or you can bend the knees and take the feet to the edges of your mat or your space, sort of past hip width distance, and allow your knees to knock in towards each other. This will bring your low back down in contact with the mat, and I invite you to place your hands on your body to get a sense of grounding, to tap into that well of calm that resides within each one of us. By doing this, not only are you grounding in, but you're also connecting to your breath. And we'll use this time to really rest actively. So different from sleep, we're allowing tension to release from the body, imagining the muscles softening around the bones of your feet and your legs, feeling the muscles of your seat release into whatever's beneath you. Feel the spine long and heavy. Feel the shoulders pulling away from each other and down into the mat. Pull your tongue away from the roof of your mouth, unfurl your brows, and start to count the breaths. 1 on the inhale, 2 on the exhale, 3 on the inhale, 4 on the exhale, and like that all the way up to 10. And once you reach 10, you can start back over again, allowing your breath to be the guide of this experience, allowing your body to rest and allowing the mind to release. Good. When you're ready, we'll slowly start to bring some movement back into the body, rolling the wrists and the ankles, wiggling the fingers and toes, maybe reaching the arms overhead to stretch, before gathering the legs in and giving yourself a squeeze. We'll roll over onto one side and pause here for a moment, noticing how you feel now as compared to just a few minutes ago. We'll start to press ourselves up to a comfortable seated position if you're ready to move. And we'll lengthen up through the spine and check in. Bringing the hands together in front of the heart center, you might rub the palms together to bring some energy flow in front of that space of your body, in that place where your calm and strength reside. And we'll bow the head to the heart, the thinking mind to the feeling heart, and all of the wisdom that resides there. And when you're ready, you can slowly blink open your eyes. The light in me honors and bows to the light in each one of you. And so we say namaste.